Plenty people them for a land way Deson and Gomna land for loom. Since yesterday they no get place for Shidon. After we Ogame Yosesep, he come out for outside for Chakara the land them. Sabi say the place where people they Shidon. According to Tori we enter for we ear. They be don't talk for some of the people them say me they come out. Some they come out. Other sides they deny. They be one a dragon with Ogame Yo. So as well the talk just now. Plenty of them. The day where they no get place for Shidon, for Sika this palava for land, where they don't chakaram. Now so to go take una, we talk this palava for bridge, now for side for Edea, where they make plenty people them they had the court. Sabi say the bridge, even as we one part the pass, place Ide self for that bridge, where it don't chakara, the population self in the back. For say make a big people then try for come fix that place so that in them. They go work a fine. Tori to for this afternoon, we go take una enter for that side for Kumba. Population for Kumba side, the way the Sabida roadway, they come up for Tavern. You go for side for Bonge Road Park. The roads, it don't warm. So now, they beg company where they say it don't make license 8 years, where he never turn back for finish work where he start for say make it turn back for come finish the work. Tori for this afternoon, we go take una turn back for talk this palava picking them. They did them 15 where it is so since as GC starts, they never fit for write exam for Sika palava say their own money where they take register, whether principal chop or do it to them, they the only drive picking them anytime where they go for go write exam. All this story them plus wait when newspaper them talk, we go bring them for this afternoon, na chapter 2. For Tori with the enter so big part talk for this afternoon. It tell we when you meet up person where he dey with the goat, then you ask am wetin he do with that goat. He tell you say the come out dirty for that goat eye. Sabi say that person native man. I say when person a catch goats, you see he talk say the come out na dirty for inside that goat eye. Sabi say that person na big thief man. She Vincent for that side for Boya. Now he send we big part up for this afternoon. At the turn back small time. Man no run. Good afternoon, country people. We glad plenty for meet up una for Equinox Tori House. Chapter 1, as so we don't talk and for we wrong number them. Since yesterday, plenty people them for inside loom. They never fit for get place for sleep. After we council people them, they come. But Sabi say Ogame Yo, it be take time for talk with the population. Some of them. Time where we go for some one side, he talk with the population, they agree. They come out for the land. Other side, they way Ogame Yo go for them. They be all nation at Trohet. Now for they Ogame Yo, he talks to me the staff for Chakaram. Even cry for big mommy or cry for other mommy them. And even mommy the way they go picking, you know, stop this bulldozer for a Chakara house them for that side. According to Tori, we enter for we ear for that Chakara where they the Chakara house them, where people they cry so they even one die for land. He did so, they tell we say na land win and Gomna land. And plenty work the day way they don't give for mayor. Mayor no go fit for do that work them for so na for Sika why that way he go for land way he dey so na Goma land for go Chakaram. They say they want be na BB center for the land so way he dey so population we don't build them. Sabi say plenty of the people them they talk say they don't buy land now for people them hand and na so today they show land certificate say na their land book that way it show say they don't buy that land but Ogame Yo he talk say na Gomna land. And if you don't fake want this population for side for loom side on top this palava, but after plenty time, they no respect the time. Now so to Ogame Yo, he don't turn go back for day. As so they talk just now, since for number 7 day where they put mark, other one them, number 16 day, they don't deny for come out. So he go there with bulldozer, caterpillar, he go Chakara outing. Sabi say inside this palava, someone they talk bad, other one them they talk with vex, other one them they understand why we Ogame Yo do make we hear wait ready two different people them for inside loom. They talk for Jacquino Molum.
No fine. He won't grant me my show enmity. All these things now because I had the name of my name. I already put the only one my house. Me put the house. I don't go to put for G office. So the G don't talk say me they what study all the thing them see how the thing they. I get people around by the house today. The man we don't send me the place today. The man we don't send me the house today. My neighbor do for we get land title. Get all thing. My neighbor they never get up. They don't touch you in the house.
Mayor don't talk say. He want some people for ya. May we begin here fa. We ain't cry that so for flower we chop. Where we don't burn them. If they want to appear, he don't come cool we had. We don't grab plenty for Monsieur le Maire. All we don't talk, we don't hear fan for them. Na papa for country. It don't matter we hard for any mammy we don't burn in chop. It don't cool. And at that house, no, that's so he house is it down. It go mess which we hear fan. Me see where they will come be the two which will be go. Man go sheriff say for head for bed begin share head.
Yes, now people them that for inside loom side where they talk. We will put microphone to for before Ogame him up. He try to for talk. Thing we just come up for do for some people them for that loom side.
Go see I'm so then talk say Mr. Mayor for loom bad. He not fun. He get bad heart. But then we then the key project them we get then for build for loom for build for population for loom. Not be that for even I will go build that house. People that want bill and for day, they don't talk for them. They don't advise them. Say no be that they play when I get for bill and for day. Then the word night, then the word Saturday on Sunday, then go for day, then they build house. Then they can put crow for day, they know you understand, then they build them. But time then you come broke them, then say the people them bad. But if you come for play with them talk for you, say no build house, then say you later, you continue for build house. You know say tomorrow they will come broke them. People don't get for build house or inside reserve. And if you play with them, don't talk say people not build them for day.
Ogame, your way the try for talk with you do we go take una just now. We go for side with the column say Edea for Edea side. Now this a bridge for inside quarter way they make people them hard. It caught plenty for inside Edea so at top. For far way you go check say the bridge they can't pay as soon as the Siam motor they pass fine. Now so to the bridge for corner side it defend make population for fiem. They cannot start with the bridge. Now they hold this way they for that bridge where population says just now they try for talk for people them for inside Edea council people them say me they try for check this sense before some motor says it lost sense it go for that place. Just now they don't put that red and white paper where they show saying a danger, but sabi say for night population feel the work out people they feel work out motor or even with Okada they go for inside that bridge where the bridge it just did some kind of style for that side so they beg make authority them big people them for inside council for Edea side. They try for see what they go do for help this population before accident it happen for that side. Now so for Edea side na palava for dirty you want talk Ede like say company say way they look at dirty them too they don't tire them work. All kind of dirty them, you meet up and for road for Edea side them, whether na watermelon where you don't chakara with the joker hibam, na so to dirty the tana for main place them for that side for inside quarter them, population too, the beg, make company where they look at dirty, make they try for member for the do their work, plenty of the dirty them, they try for talk for we, na dirty way it don't turn up for one place for plenty time, so they beg, make that come out, the dirty them for road. We go take una just now. We go for that side for Kumba. People the way they ever she done for Banga school. You don't she done for side where they call them to say tavern. That road, now the road that they enter road where they go right for High Court for Kumba. Now the road that where plenty people then just now they try for back. If people the way they sabi High Court for Kumba, they go sabi say roads. They don't start do work for that road, but they don't abandon the road. As so they talk just now. More than 8 years, the road where they don't fair walk, you know even tame. Now so to Poto water rain is start turn with a big hole them for on top road. So the population where they she done for that side, so for High Court for Kumbam roadway it dey like a conshot for reach from Bonge Road. Them say they try for back whether na Ngomna delegate we get for talk. Sabi say mayor e no even get more for talk on top this palava. Congo side they tell we say they so work for the road. Now some woman it take the work for that side, so for Yawende the contract contract, then he can work for the road. But so now, na population for inside that side, so for Kumba, particularly one them, where they dey for High Court side, na them say they suffer for Sika say the road just now as so the talk, it don't chakara so take time no day, even motor them they need the fee for pass. So other side where the same na quota say we do already come out. Population for that side they talk say the only road where is Sitana fine, na the main road for inside Kumba. This other road they be fix we no dey at all. On top that one, dirty say be just turn up careless for that side, so for on top the road. So they beg make the people there they feel for talk, they talk so that tin them they fit turn back to normal. Sabi say Kumba 2 in the hear bad for Sika this palava for Northwest and Southwest. We go find way for here inside this chapter, country people them. We go turn, find way for here Tori way the people them talk Sabi say as we Ogalai, it be the turn for on top that road, for that side, so for Bonge Road. It be take time for talk with one or two people them on top the road. Make we hear which way they get for talk.
Since where they say they don't come fix the road, people they come out Yaoundé. They say they fix road. They fix and with that main road. Main road they fix and fine. They control and fine. If one now they come my way they for control the government delegate, either they can control the road. If they can for night, now we will call people they will say wait it happen. Now this kind of road they make them. On all ID route, we walk call or the nafi it come for us. If you not doing medicine, the next day not come out. Almost 8 years to 10 years. Or they tell them, say, may they try and fix the road. When they give them money, may they not chop them, may they not do that patch work. Anything way they for them, when they don't do and so, yeah, when they not can control, whether they don't work fine or they never work fine. So far, they gather money for here, they go give them. They do okay, they know see all things different way with the suffer for here. Road not they come by here, no road. Now only that main road. No, not like them. May they try arrange the route fine. And the route where they go for High Court. Even the one where they go hospital, the one carry man for go hospital, we know this. If he die only for gallop, I will not correct.
Well, we feel so bad about the road because you were there around here, we walk around this place, port of the planes for them. So when anything like motor they pass or bike, all the ports of the water, they flash and towards me. So they feel so bad. At least with the back, tell me if you see anything they do concerning the road.
We go talk now on top palava for picking them. Sabi say today na number 3 days since we exam is start for GCE and even for people that they write baccalaureate, people that they for back. Na number 3 day this, but you get some group for picking them. They did them 15. They did for some school for that side, so for Kuwait City. Now for side for side where they call them say Bois de Saint for Douala here. Victory Bilingual College. Now the school picking them that. Them say they be now they picking their way. So they be don't pay their money for she don't for write exam for GCE this year. But as so they talk just now, they're picking them since we exam start, they never fit for write exam. Now for Sika waiting for Sika this palava say they so they pay money for principal, whether principal don't chop the money or na how no man in no sabi. All the time the way they don't start for write exam as we picking they write, they go for go write, they only send them for outside. They go with Equinox Story House, it be even enter for inside the school compound for that side, so for Bois de Saint we be meet up with person wey get school but he deny for talk. Principal will call him, he tell we say dinner for that side for Boya for try for make arrangement for CCMA they picking they write their exam. Now to receive them that way they show say they picking that they be don't pay for all their exam, even money where they take register for write for inside the palabam. But so now they picking themselves they never fit for understand. Sometimes the BA they call the principal, he phone the pass. Sometimes when the principal phone know the pass. So just now they picking themselves, they don't confuse. And Tori way enter with EM. If they try for tell we say this school, it be then one of the school them where if they so they be talk say they no be get right for open this academic year. Whether now how they take open now big question that. And just now all man, he dey look now for up. Main minister for college book, he try for see am. Now book them that or now receive that for picking the way the show say they don't pay all their school fees them, but they need the fit for she done for write exam with their friend them. They did she don't write. Sabi said they be did them 29. Inside that 29, 15, they need the fit for write. No reason they never give them. Why would they need the fit for she done for write exam with their friend them? They did a write exam. So them say they vex. Now so to Equinox Story House, he enter inside this palaver. Sabi say no be na only this school picking them. We get case them from Abandam. We principal them to the chop school fees for picking the way they get for write exam. Make we hear wait away one of these school picking them. He talk for Clothes Ukwa. Ashte say microphone.
They will never know what we do. No what I will get up to give for write the exam. So we only want to say people in city don't happen for we because our parents will do pay school fees for we. Pay all things, then we need the guy GC. Why others the guy we all we don't pay at the same money. So we don't really know thing we do. We don't really tired. We don't catch the way no day. Principal and self innovate day for even can say no. Now even see the picking them. Principal go they even call he phone the pass. So that yesterday na boya we don't no play day. Even some we will then a lower seats. Oh the one guys some people don't feel them. They no even get this thing times table wey they write. Wey e no be normal because we don pay how we do pay school fees pay registration money pay all things then we carry say they go snap for some school for akwa say intake we go for there we go snap they give you na only id card they no give you times table wey we write there so wetin because they tell you say mo come to school for Friday can take time so how many school fit can give times table 2 days. No, if wey dey dey even burn the school na burn herself no make they even lock the school one time make they even make am way if wey dey we fit write no yeah you go fine then for that teacher dem we no even know for that principal we no know make they lock in and lock am.
Now one of the speaking them that wey no the fit for write exam wey they don't pay money. When you hear the way he talk, he show like person wey be don't fair right. He dey just want write some paper then we no be pass am. Time we be there for Form 5. We be meet up with another picking school picking way ye in the first time we dey write this exam. Then this kind of what in the camp for it before. Make we hear your own talk for this palaver.
My boy, principal no register we. We don't go there yesterday. They go there to see one name they no appear. They will write, leave more right. They tell na principal they send me they send me back for school so they write. But yeah, principal don't show you money. And see yes, no I see. I don't cry, I don't tire. When no see the again. I don't cry, I don't tire. No. Any day, I don't cry, I don't tire. No nothing. I don't do nothing to the guy. Just they look for them. You don't pass me. Because all my friends will go there. They say all them they write. I don't even people they write extend. I don't write. Even paper I don't have a I don't have no timetable. When my first year I don't know timetable. Now my first I see timetable, but I know I see.
Yes, first time for writing, no even sabi as we timetable for GCE day, but you no get a chance for write exam. The mommy them say they be follow them come out for outside as we them too they be vex. We no be miss the mommy them. Them too they get something for talk for we on top this palaver we money where they don't struggle for pay. They are picking they know the right exam.
We don't pay all things when they don't find them for school. We don't pay all. Never last time they don't pick it for us. I don't know. For can't wait. They go pour we. We don't know. It go be in the house. When they talk for we. How begin to finish all and then they go be in the house. Then they go replan school again. It go be in the house. And they go pay all the exam. We don't know. We beg minister say, "Me here we sorry. We papa will suffer. With mommy will suffer. With the we begin the when they don't lose 1 year. I beg. Make something for we. May help we. I beg with the clap for you. With the all water I beg papa. I will beg minister say I beg. You may see problem for the picking them. Now anger for God. Now God put them for ground. And now we papa will suffer for saying they help them for school. My minister here we sorry. Sorry for mommy, sorry for papa.
We there for fire. I think that's why I'm empty. I'm not getting nothing. I beg. Maybe they find my begin right exam. I beg. We no day we. Our condition no fine. Oh, I still don't born. I borrow money. I borrow for pay school fees. Maybe my begin right. I beg them for God name. I don't have any problem. I don't know my life. I don't know how they go. We stand under some money has. Where we put our clothes for stay for day. We give our money pay school fees. In every right. Or the guy they registered in 29. 14 they write 15 day outside for which ground. I don't know me. But they find where I beg.
Make we just take on a turn back for the place as we meet up them. time waiting there be the hot.
Ne crie pas. 14 personnes ne crient, le 15 ne crie pas pourquoi. Non, parce que ça, je ne peux pas. Si vous ne voulez pas que mon enfant écrit, remets-moi la pension et la de dossier là-haut. Je suis fatigué, pardon. Moi, je suis fatigué, non.
Mami them with the vex for sake of this palaver for picking the way they know the rights. We go remain for inside school compound, take on go for university for Yawinde 1. Now for that side from Guaykele, as we rain be before this time, it be been a big trouble. Picking the SSA, they no be fit for go school. We go take this amateur image or talk on top this palaver. Now picking the way the normal, they be get for the go school, but for Sika water this early morning time from Guaykele side. Now for Yawinde, plenty picking the SSA, they no be fit for walk across the water. One at the Siam for Sika, plenty rain way for this early morning time. Now for side for Yawinde, they just now. All the picking the SSA, they be the check na side where they get for put their food them for Sika say all sides now water be the pass, all side na water be the pass. But Sabi say the one at the backside road there, backside road for go for university. Sabi say all university they must ever get backside roads, and the backside roads it worry plenty of the picking the way no be there, and their class it just done for before. But for cross water for enter for their class, it be then a big trouble. Now for that side so from Guaykele for inside Yawinde 1 university, boy then said they be baba their own combi them when a woman. So when they go take na plank for can see as well they go help other people them for cross. So it be then a big trouble for people them for that side, school picking them for university for Yawinde 1 for SWA for cross enter for their class them this early morning time. We go take una now so enter for Palava for Northwest Southwest. We take una go for Teke. Sabi say divisional officer for inside Kumba 3. He be go for that side for Teke. Teke, it don't be na one of the places where all man he had. He be caught for go day. Sabi say na for that side so we are gone. He be hala plenty for inside Kumba. But Oga divisional officer where they call it a one Epole Veclin. He says he be them. He be then opportunity to be people them. They be go for go look out some of these people there. They did so she done for inside Tekem. They go with his small mala for give the people them. On top that one, they be people them too. They be try for check them, mommy them, papa them blood pressure. Sabi say na walk way will be them. They don't they do and since this palaver starts and even before the palaver starts. So for inside Tekem, they be try for gather the few population they did for Teke side for talk with them. Sabi say what cannot be easy at all for Oga D.O. a one Epole Veclin, we na the only woman do that for inside Kumba side. So it be then a big worker for you. And the Trump message we give for the population, the one that they be come out for Teke side. Now for say may they try for talk for their brother them where they did for Bush, may they come out. Some of them as we they talk, they don't catch them where they so they be the whole shake a shoot. But the last left them too they don't join back for inside the population for Teke. So as we they talk, the message we Ogadi or carry Amadi or take and go them. Now for say may they try for call their own brother them with the day for inside bush may they come as well they be give them small chop. The chop not be plenty, but nothing that just for whole belly. Drink chop small, drink more than 1 liter for water so that if you hold your belly inside this palaver. So it be then a worker for inside Teke. Sabi say a talk people there they sabi Teke fine. Now place where people they know the fit for go this help since where this palaver starts for Northwest and Southwest and for inside Kumba. It be na the red zone for Kumba where people they fear for go there but be them and Oga D.O. or Mama D.O. They be go there for go see wait if they fit do am and leave message with them, the trunk talk, make peace, it turn back and make the talk for their brother the way the whole shake a shoot. May they put them for down, come back for inside quarter, start do their work them normal. We go take style now. We go here now. So after this walk away, Madi will make them for that side. Make we hear the small talk. We go give them for people them for Tekem. Veclin Epole Wane a talk. Make we hear it.
We want one thing because all will be Cameroonians. And say peace. Now the ultimate thing we all we want them. Not be so. Yes. Okay. I say. Now, brother, this, if you confirm, see, now see, no?
Yes.
Yes. Now be there for your time, they can't catch them, no?
Yes.
And when I know say they no innocent for 2 occasions, no?
Yes.
Okay.
But other ones so na for sure say they so one a piece. I sure say una no say Papa Prime Minister become for you know. Yes. He become Kumba. When a picking for Kumba say when they born for Kumba, he grow for Kumba. And I either don't be big man today. And if this for you, he beg all man. Say if they so the probably I don't hear or we will cry. I don't decide say the bloodshed so not be the best way to go about that. If we don't tire of bloodshed, we don't tire. Oh, the one they don't surrender, they come safe with their guns, them, they carry all them, they go for Boya, they even give them small money, say they promise say they will find them work. And at the same thing, the same message I come for campus and for una. Same way una tell una brothers, una tell una pikin them. Same way them come out for bush with their guns, they come back for house. They come back with their come out for bush with their guns and they come back. Some she don't for one table, the one family. Any house you no get query? All house you get problem no? Yes. So when we get problem means we kill ourselves or we die? No. So now say she don't any man talk to with the hot no? Yes. She talk say no, mommy, you be do me so I no be like am. You too, mommy, talk say don't say no, well, you be do to I no be like am. No, she don't now find common ground. Or we will try for meet up for middle. No be that so. Yes. You know she don't say no. As I want the one cup Gary, so it must be naive.
Ma DO for inside Kumba 3, Veclin Epolewane with some of the population then for inside Teke, one of the places where people they fear for enter for Kumba. Just now we go enter for this other Wawotoriwe Mitowi na Palava for die. Na chief the head boy for Bangwa people then for inside Bafang. They calling a chief Ngamelu Joseph according to Torisewe enter with EM. They talk say the chief he died this early morning time for his own compound where they call him say Badumgam block 1 for Banka side this early morning time. Now with this chief says he died for that site and Sabi said chief according to Toriwe he enter with EM he be enter for a house fine yesterday for 10 o'clock he chop for 4 o'clock he die so we'll surely turn back for talk on that palava. Now the chief that now for the compound that for the chief for day for this so now head boy for Bangwa people them for inside Bafang that they calling Oga Ngamelu Joseph. They talk say he come back for house fine yesterday for night. He chop, he sleep for 4 o'clock. He starts shake some kind of shaking. He last die some kind of die way. He woman said he try for talk say na some kind of die way he no understand. So the chief Ngamelu Joseph for Bangwa community for Bafang he don't die and according to Toriwe enter with EM they don't carry leave him for inside the co-house for that side so for Bafang. Now so we see Tori for this afternoon country people them just now make we look the newspaper the way they did for we before. We get the Guardian Post where it day outside this afternoon country people them. Inside the Guardian Post, waiting there for strong number for the Guardian Post, they tell we now so another group for Anglophone people the way they don't put them for be like head boy them for Kameko, the Cameroon our own national aeroplane. According to the Guardian Post, they say Anglophone then say the day where they fit do better work and they fit make choice them inside the Anglophone the way they fit do better work for inside Kameko. Photo for all people them for Anglophone where they fit do that same work. If you see them for the Guardian Post inside the Guardian Post too, we get this palaver for expert them we just now they she done for try for check their sense on top this palaver for see as so they feel turn this Cameroon Congo border making they come back to normal. You feel it too for the Guardian Post where they outside this time palaver way they so ngomna they so talk say people them for outside they so put them up. You see say they so they no need any help for any man as so this palaver this also continue for happen inside we country. The Guardian Post he get order to read them. Now just for you for enter for inside for read the Tori way did so for inside other newspaper will look for inside this afternoon. We take una enter for the Voice newspaper wey dey outside country people them. Inside the Voice newspaper they tell we say Sisiku Ayuktabi he want and say me United Nations except he put him up better inside this palaver wey dey happen for Northwest and Southwest. He don't talk this palaver for resolution for 1608 for United Nations make he enter na so too he don't talk side way dey so if they want make any peaceful talk if it for happen and they name them for people that way dey so they get for use am for talk. Inside the Voice you go read tori to a concern a bishop for Kumbo George Nko wey SSF Iwaka go see people them for Kikaiki for that side so for inside the Bamenda for give them small help as well this palaver they continue. 20th May 1972 referendum SSF the two way dey for under you feel read them for the Voice newspaper way dey for outside plus other to read them now only for buy the Voice newspaper for sabi plenty of the thing that way they did. The info now another paper will look to for inside this afternoon. Inside the info newspaper they tell we SDF number 29 Bonde Frundi na SSF e bring democracy for country no be na bia na talk that way Honorable O.C. Joshua talk according to wetin the info way 1,000 people they follow am e talk Palava Road for Yawende Auto Road Yawende Douala they talk say na for 2020 where that work e go finish and all thing e go turn fine. Na so today the talk Palava Esimi Meye Lazar wey SSF they don't give long time for she done inside Gata. All the tori them plus other one if you read them for the info newspaper. Country people them now so we finish story for this afternoon. Before one come out, we go talk happy birthday for you. Madam Fru Ophelia, we did she done for that side so for Bambutu Squatter for Catetage, Douala. Thank you plenty, Farel Bunya. Thank you to Francois Dikoume. Thank you to plenty Varios, Malis, and even Matilda Kemazu. We all them they join hand for say make thing the work up for this side. Tori, he go turn back tomorrow for some time, even as when a public holiday. Sabi say Tori people them, they know the rest. On a whole, I'm tight for outside.